Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on Hugging Face this week, published just 6 days ago on June 17, 2026, tackles a major challenge in scaling multi-agent systems. As these workflows grow, managing and auditing fragmented runtime states has emerged as a critical bottleneck for production reliability. To address this issue, the authors introduce a PyTorch-inspired programming model that unifies conversational transcripts, tool effects, and sandbox placements into a single, first-class runtime value called the session. The paper is titled OpenRath, Session-Centered Runtime State for Agent Systems. As we will see, treating the execution history as a flowing, branchable value makes complex agent runs significantly easier to audit and reproduce. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Table 1 compares 3 distinct runtime records and their targets to show where a session fits in. The first row outlines the graph checkpoint, which is written for schedulers to track execution state. Next, the tracespan row shows what observers need for monitoring after the fact. Finally, the OpenRath session serves the agent program itself, carrying live lineage and memory state directly through execution. Figure 1 illustrates how OpenRath transforms fragmented, loop-scattered state into a single cohesive runtime value. On the left, the diagram depicts the traditional setup where messages, tools, and memory remain scattered as side channels. In contrast, the center panel highlights the session boundary, which bundles the runtime state, execution context, and branch lineage into one object. This unified session value then produces reviewable artifacts for reliable replays and audits. Figure 2 shows how the OpenRath session acts as a crossing object boundary connecting different layers of the agent runtime stack. A crossing object boundary is a shared data structure that lets independent systems exchange information seamlessly. The top row illustrates these external layers, which include multi-agent application programming interfaces and tracing software development kits. They all feed into the central OpenRath session, combining conversation chunks, lineages, and sandboxes into one unified value. Figure 3 details the structural analogy between PyTorch and OpenRath to help explain the system architecture. In the blue box on the left, we see standard PyTorch components like tensors and devices. In the red box on the right, these map directly to OpenRath concepts, showing how the session serves as the flowing tensor of the runtime. For example, a sandbox, which is an isolated software environment for running code safely, maps directly to a device. This mental model makes it easy to see how workflows compose agents, just like neural network modules compose layers. Table 3 defines the compact vocabulary that keeps the programming model clean. A runtime boundary represents the specific operational limit or responsibility of an object, which prevents different parts of the code from corrupting each other's data. For instance, the session row details how it acts as the central flowing value that tracks chunks and sandbox placement. Further down, sandboxes and memory manage isolated execution environments and persistent state. Finally, workflows and selectors handle composition and routing, making sure that control flow remains completely explicit rather than hard-coded. Table 3 defined the vocabulary. Now Figure 6 shows how these pieces work together during execution. On the left, we see a multi-session runtime where 4 separate sessions preserve their own distinct data, such as lineage and sandbox context. On the right, the multi-agent workflow illustrates planner, research, coder, and reviewer agents interacting. Because they all read and write to the same session object, they can hand off work smoothly without introducing a second runtime state. Wrapping up, the main takeaway is that treating execution state as a single flowing session simplifies multi-agent debugging. This design shift moves the field toward reliable, auditable agent engineering. And that is a wrap. I am Alex from the AI Research Roundup, and I thank you for tuning in.